Friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at the best deals over at Walgreens for the week of June the 1st to the 7th, including $1.99 Tide products. And that has us all very excited this week because that is our favorite. Along with, guys, there are various boosters that showed up, including an 8-pack when you spend $35 in health and wellness, a 7-pack when you spend $30 in beauty and personal care, and then a 10-pack when you spend $40 on Always Discreet products. The two are weeklies, and then the bottom one is a monthly, but load all of them. Possibly might be some deals for us to work on in the future, and just load them. Hopefully everybody got the same ones as I. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday, June the 1st. We are looking at deals that probably will happen, but there is some little fine print things that don't really add up. Maybe you see it the same way as I, but we'll have to wait and see Sunday for the definitive final deals. If you guys can do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. Thing I do want to point out is these K-Cups, which are the McCafe, Green Mountain, and the donut shop for $5.99. There is no other place that's charging $5.99 for these K-Cups. Definitely, this is a stock-up price. If you have Walgreens cash or register rewards to throw into the mix, make it so. These have gone up in price everywhere. So the first deal we're very much anticipating is the $5.49 Tide, Bounce, Downy, all that good stuff. And I'm assuming we're going to have about $5 in digitals, and you're probably going to have to grab one of each to get it to work. Along with, if you might have this, a 5-pack when you spend $15. Typically, when you buy a little something at the store, these print photos. It's been printing for us for the last couple of weeks. Doing this deal in store, grabbing 4 various P&G laundry care products at $5.49. That's $21.96. Subtracting $5 in digitals, and then get the cashier to scan your paper booster. You're going to pay $16.96 with your debit card as you're using a spend booster with this deal. You're getting back a $4 register reward for the weekly deal, $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $7.96 for the 4 items or $1.99 per. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using a booster with said deal. Okay, so for this next one, we're probably going to be grabbing the more fancier Olay or Old Spice because we're probably going to get a 7 off 2 on those items. So grabbing them, 2 of them at $12.99 a pop, that's $25.98. Subtracting that really nice digital coupon, $18.98. Get back a $5 register reward for spending $20. Makes it $13.98 for the 2 or $6.99 per the very fancy Olay or Old Spice. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. I'm going to wait until IBOTTA might have something for Old Spice or Olay. This potentially might be a better deal as the week marches on. I currently don't see anything on IBOTTA as of right now. Pantene for $5 with probably a 3 off 2 digital coupon, $2 reward when you purchase 2. Grabbing 2 of the cheapy $5 Pantenes for $10 on the nose. Subtracting, I'm assuming it's going to be a 3 off 2 digital coupon. We'll have to double triple check on Sunday. You're going to pay $7, get back a $2 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per Pantene. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but not a bad price point for Pantene. Moving it along, we have the $9.99 Gillette and Venus. So we're going to have to look for the cheapest of the cheap. Currently, we have $3 digitals on both. So grabbing one of each, that'll be $19.98. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons, you're going to pay $13.98 out of pocket. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $8.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per fancy razor. It's okay to use Walgreens cash to pay if you're doing this deal with no booster. We also have the $6.99 Angel Soft Brawny, $3 reward when you buy 2. I mean, if we get a $1 coupon on the Angel Soft and Brawny or the Quilted Northern, here's the deal. Grab one of each for $13.98, subtracting a $1 coupon times 2. You'll pay $11.98, get back a $3 register reward, making it $8.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per. it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. With the Dove, I noticed a lot of the shampoo and body wash is $9.99 now, which is really expensive. The men's hair care, for whatever reason, is still $6.79. So grabbing 2 of those on a BOGO 50% off, that's $10.18. Subtracting that 5 off 2 digital coupon, you'll pay $5.18 for the 2. It's okay to use Walgreens cash to pay if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now we have our friend Caress or St. Ives for $5. We're looking for the absolute cheapest one. $4 reward when you buy 2 with no digital coupons. Grabbing 2 of the cheaper Caress for $10, you'll get back a $4 register reward. Photograph your receipt for 600 points back from Fetch. If they still have it, double, triple check, do screenshots because things tend to go missing pretty quickly on that app. It would be $5.40 for the 2 or $2.70 per. Okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, and now we're looking at the Nivea body washes priced at $5 a pop. $5 reward when you purchase 3. It's probably going to be the men's one. Grabbing 3 of them for $15. You'd have to pay that or roll some register rewards if you may have some. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $10 for the 3 or $3.33 per. And it's okay to use Walgreens cash to pay if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now we're going to take a second to look at some quick honorable mentions. The first one goes to Colgate because I don't completely understand if this is a typo or what this actually means because it's quite odd. It says $4 or $5 Colgate, hello, earn a $2 reward when you spend 4 or more. That just seems odd. It would usually be a $4 register reward when you purchase 2. And is it a $2 coupon? I think that's a typo, but we'll have to wait and see on Sunday. And then we have 75% off a same-day wood panel photo through the 4th using the promo code 75panelwood. With graduations just around the corner, this might be a really nice gift for a grad, a special memento, or a special photo framed. That would be really, really nice. And we also have the Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand, cleaners, papers, their knockoff generic Fabuloso or Dawn. You tell me, do you think this is just as good as Dawn and Fabuloso, or is it completely different? Lots of food, buy one, get one for free, including drumsticks, Haagen-Dazs, like all this fancy stuff. So maybe Walgreens is the place to get all this stuff. Bring a cooler and stock up. A lot of us like these treats in the hot summer months. And the Cheez-Its are still on a promotion of buy one, get one free. How lovely is this? Now, in case you missed it, yesterday I made a talk video where I was legitimately 3 minutes late for a shift and I got in a lot of trouble because of a Dollar General clearance event. This must have happened 10 plus years ago. I finally made a video where I was talking about it. Check it out. I'll link it right here. A real lesson between the lines if you work in an office where micromanaging is just a Tuesday afternoon thing. You might want to check out this video because I too have dealt with that. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.